Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Vega HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Vega HR's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Vega HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on first link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of your Vega HR's account. Enter your official email or employee code and password associated with your Vega HR's account and tap on login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says remember me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot or Reset Password option. This is how you can log into your Vega HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.